everyone. As we have been stuck in this lockdown for more than a month and many of us are craving for pizza, so am I. So I thought of sharing a very simple homemade pan pizza recipe with no yeast, no oven. So let's get started and check out the recipe. First of all, we will make the pizza sauce, and for that we need some fresh tomatoes and onion. I have taken one finely chopped onion and 3 tomatoes. I have sliced the tomatoes into half. Heat up a pan and add the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onion. Cook the onion for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll be adding the tomatoes. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it well. Now I will be adding 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Now we will cover the pan and cook it for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you will notice how the tomatoes have started to release their skin. I am removing the skin, it's totally optional. Smash the tomatoes and cook it for about 5 minutes in medium flame. The pizza sauce is ready. Now I will prepare the pizza base, and for that I am taking 1 cup of whole wheat flour, that is atta, 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon sugar, half tablespoon baking powder. Then mix it well. Knead about 6 to 8 minutes with lukewarm milk. After kneading for 6 to 8 minutes, add 1 tablespoon of refined oil and knead it again for 2 minutes. Once the dough is stretchy, cover the dough for some time. Knead it again for 2 minutes. Flatten the dough in the pan itself and cook one side on low flame. These are the ingredients I'm using for toppings: onion, tomato, capsicum, fried chicken, grated cheese. Now I'm gonna take out the pizza base and start topping in the cooked side of the base. sprinkle some crushed black pepper. It's totally optional. I'm done with the toppings, so I will put this into the pan. As this is a non-sticky pan, so I'm not greasing it with oil. Cover the pan and reduce the flame to low. After 10 minutes, peek under the lid and check whether the cheese has melted or not. If yes, then the pizza is ready. If no, then cover and continue cooking till the cheese melts. The cheese has melted, so my pizza is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.